Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Everyday English Excellence. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more educational content. Today, we're going to learn some simple English conversations that occur during the interview process, such as introductions, questions about experience and skills, and salary negotiations. It's a great way to learn new vocabulary and phrases used in an interview process. Practice these dialogues every day to improve your English conversation skills. Let's get started. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm John.
Nice to meet you too, John. I'm Sarah.
Sarah, can you tell me a bit about yourself?
Sure, John. I have graduated with a degree in computer science. I have been working as a software developer for 2 years now.
That's great, Sarah. What made you interested in our company?
I've always admired your company's commitment to innovation.
We do strive for that. What roles are you interested in?
I'm particularly interested in software development roles.
Excellent. We have several openings in that department.
That sounds wonderful, John.
What were your responsibilities there?
I was responsible for designing and implementing new features.
Can you give me an example of a project you worked on?
Sure, I worked on a project to improve the performance of our app.
That sounds interesting. What was your role in that project?
I was the lead developer and coordinated the work of my team.
How did you ensure the project was completed on time?
I created a detailed project plan and made sure everyone knew their tasks.
That's good to hear. Were there any challenges?
Yes, we had to solve some unexpected bugs, but we managed to fix them.
How did you handle the bugs?
We used debugging tools and worked together to find solutions.
That's a good approach. What did you learn from this experience?
I learned the importance of good communication and teamwork.
Those are valuable skills. Do you have any experience with remote work?
Yes, I've been working remotely for the past year due to the pandemic.
How do you manage your time when working remotely?
I use task management tools and make sure to take regular breaks.
That's a good strategy. What skills can you bring to our company?
I have experience in project management and coding.
Can you elaborate on your project management experience?
Sure, I've led several projects from inception to completion.
That's impressive. What about your coding skills?
I'm proficient in several programming languages, including Java and Python.
That's great. Have you used these skills in a real-world setting?
Yes, I've used them in my previous job to develop software solutions.
Can you give an example of a problem you solved using these skills?
Certainly, I once developed a system to automate data entry tasks.
That sounds like a valuable solution. How did you approach it?
I started by understanding the requirements, then designed and implemented the solution.
That's a good approach. How do you keep your skills up to date?
I regularly attend workshops and online courses to learn about new technologies.
That's commendable. We value continuous learning. Have you learned any new skills recently?
Yes, I've been learning about cloud computing and its applications.
That's a valuable skill in today's digital world. Have you used it in a project?
Not yet, but I'm looking forward to applying it in a real-world setting.
That's great. We have several projects that could use that skill.
I'm excited to hear that. I can't wait to contribute.
We're glad to hear that. When can you start working?
I can start from next month.
That's great. Do you have any planned vacations or time off?
Yes, I have a family trip planned in July.
Thanks for letting us know. We can work around that.
I appreciate your understanding.
Of course. We value work-life balance. How many hours can you work per week?
I can work full-time, 40 hours per week.
That's perfect. Do you have any restrictions on your working hours?
I prefer to work during regular business hours, but I'm flexible if needed.
That's good to know. We sometimes have meetings with our overseas teams.
I understand. I'm open to occasionally adjusting my schedule for important meetings.
Great. What are your salary expectations?
I am hoping for a salary around $90,000 per year.
Thank you for your honesty. We'll take that into consideration.
I appreciate your understanding.
Do you have any questions about the benefits we offer?
Yes, could you tell me more about your healthcare benefits?
Of course, we offer comprehensive health insurance including dental and vision.
That's great to hear.
We also offer a retirement plan and paid time off.
That sounds very comprehensive.
We strive to take care of our employees. Do you have any other questions?
Yes. Could you please explain the complete hiring process to me?
Of course, I'd be happy to explain. The first step is the application review. Our HR and project management team reviews all applications to select suitable candidates.
I see. What happens after my application is reviewed?
If your application is shortlisted, you'll be invited for an initial interview. This is usually a behavioral interview to assess your fit with our company culture.
That makes sense. What's the next step?
After the initial interview, there's a technical interview. This is where we assess your skills and knowledge related to the job.
I understand. What comes after the technical interview?
If you pass the technical interview, you'll be given a task or a project. This is to see how you apply your skills in a practical setting.
That sounds challenging. What's the final step?
The final step is the job offer. If you've successfully passed all the previous stages, we'll make you a job offer. This will include details about your salary, benefits, and start date.
Thank you for explaining the process. I now have a clear understanding of what to expect.
You're welcome. We believe in transparency and want all candidates to know what to expect.
Thank you for the information.
Do you have any questions for me, Sarah?
Yes. Could you tell me more about the team I would be working with?
Of course, our software development team is a group of talented individuals and they are always ready to help each other. It's a very collaborative environment.
That sounds like a great working environment.
It is, indeed. Do you have experience working in a team?
Yes, I've worked on several team projects during my studies.
That's good to hear. Teamwork is very important in our company.
I agree. I believe that teamwork leads to the best results.
Absolutely. How do you handle feedback, Sarah?
I appreciate constructive feedback as it helps me grow and improve my skills.
That's a great attitude, Sarah. We value continuous learning.
I'm glad to hear that. I'm always eager to learn and improve.
Wonderful. Let's proceed to the next steps of the hiring process. You'll have a technical interview with our lead developer.
That sounds good. I look forward to it.
Great. Do you have any other questions about the job or our company?
Could you tell me more about the company culture?
Certainly, we value openness, innovation, and teamwork. We also believe in work-life balance.
That aligns with my values. I'm excited about this opportunity.
We're glad to hear that, Sarah. We'll be in touch with the details of the technical interview.
Thank you, John. I look forward to hearing from you.
Thank you for your time today, Sarah. It was nice meeting you.
Likewise, John. Have a great day.
You too, Sarah. Goodbye.
Goodbye, John.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye.